Check if the package is intact when receiving the courier. Then open the plastic film. Flat the track, straighten the beads and ropes. Loosen the feeder screw. Splice the track. Insert the cross rod into the connecting strip. Make sure the two tracks are completely closed. Then tighten the screw of the feeder. Test whether the track can open and adjust the light normally. Note that if it cannot be fully closed, the clock will get stuck. It may be that the middle bracket is not in place. You need to adjust the middle bracket to the middle position. About 6 centimeters from the inner and outer walls. Fix the track with screws. Clip the transparent plastic pieces of adjacent vertical blind slats together in sequence. Then hang the cloth from both sides to the middle. The first and last pieces correspond. The clips are in the free bag. In this way, the manual dream curtain is installed.